Hi friends, so many of us want to know some interesting and strange things. So in this video, a few interesting facts are waiting for us. The beautiful automobile which you are looking now is the world's most expensive number plate car, which is F1, whose price is 26.14 lakh US dollars, which is equals to 19.21 crore rupees in our Indian currency. But the number plate of this car is 1.8 crore US dollars, which is 132 crore rupees in our Indian currency. We know that maximum people purchase only the Android mobiles instead of iPhone. But iPhone is the second largest selling product of all time in the world. Ketchup. Nowadays we use it frequently in our fast food. For example, bread, pizza, sandwich, burger and etc. But ketchup was sold as a medicine at the time of 1830s. The jellyfishes has existed for over 650 million years, though they do not have brain, heart and also blood. There is a lizard called Jesus Christ which had the ability to run on the water, about 5 feet per second across the surface. These lizards are appeared mainly in the tropical rainforests of Central America. Basil Brown, a 48-year-old Englishman who is an archaeologist, decided to go on a carrot juice diet. In 10 days, he has ended up drinking about 10 gallons of carrot juice, which is nearly equal to 39 liters of carrot juice. This amount of carrots contained 10,000 times the recommended vitamin A, so his liver couldn't manage with it, which led to his death. By this mystery, we can conclude that 10 gallons of carrot juice will kill a person if he or she will take it at a time. Butterflies taste the food with their feet, not by mouth. A Rubik's Cube named Masterpiece Cube, which is the costliest Rubik's Cube in the world, of price $2.5 million, which is 18 crores 30 lakhs 66,250 Indian rupees. The organism which you are seeing now is bumblebee bat. It is the smallest mammal in the world. Mammal in the sense which can give birth to younger ones. For example, human beings, dogs, cats and etc. It weighs less than a coin. There are so many buildings in the world, but if the earth loses oxygen for just 5 seconds, then every building made of concrete or cement would turn into dust. There is an aquatic animal in this world called octopus. When it gets hungry, then it eats its own hand only. In 1984, there was a cricket match between two countries, Victoria and Australia. The batsman hit a ball and the ball was struck in a tree. The batsman kept on running for approximately 6 kilometers and took 286 runs in a single ball. The feathers of pigeon are heavier than their body. We all know that the Statue of Liberty is in America, so we think that it was constructed by its government or any king in history, but it's wrong. Statue of Liberty was a gift from French people for the unity of France and the United States during American Revolution. If you want to make ice quickly, then try to use hot water, because hot water freezes faster than cold water. The scientists still don't know why. Till now, it is one of the wonders of thermodynamics. Okay friends, I hope that you have learned some new interesting things in this video. If you enjoyed the episode, then hit a like, share this video with your friends and family members, and also drop your opinion in the comment section. If you don't want to miss out our interesting videos in future, then join our Smart Student family by subscribing to the channel. If you want to get the upcoming updates quickly, then follow us on Instagram. The link is in description. Thank you for watching.